horn went
beep and the press out. Little blue truck with the rain.
Little blue truck rolled into the city.
Beep, beep, beep in the beep. Time boy sees beep to city. Hi. Zoom trust out either. Fast load the blue. So what sort that would be relax? I go to store. Makes a quite a lot blue and relax.
Good job!
Wee.
Went a siren coming through.
Busy piece of friend to do. This sausage. Be sweet cheater. Okay, but move bigger.
Good job.
What's this? What's
It
this?
is a man looking at the sweeper. Make way, yelled the limousine.
Look, I got me side and first lap. Carter takes all to go with a lingo.
Up roared a taxi.
Feet, stop.
Stop, yelled Blue, for goodness sakes.
Goodness sake.
You might be fast and I might be slow.
Long times we go.
Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough. And his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside.
Rebels.
Yes. What's it say? Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride?
Yeah. I wish we stepped out.
Good job! His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech. What is it?
The police was there.
Yeah, and gave a speech the way mayors do.
The wheels there.
Yeah. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice.
The wheels there.
Holy cow! From a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do. So single file, folks. Follow Blue.
Follow Blue.
Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine.
When the taxi all walking.
A taxi let the van go fast. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last.
Boom, dresser. I will.
A marching band joined the big parade.
Boom and drums.
And the trumpets played.
And the trumpet played.
They rolled along the avenue and everyone waved
I waved
to Little Blue.
the blue.
They clapped their hands and yelled,